Hey guys, what's going on? Handling error properly in your application is an essential thing for building a robust project. Since front-end project has become complex in today's age, we need to handle error in proper way. It's more important than ever to have effective solution for handling error. Previously, JavaScript developers logs their errors via console.log, or even in the Angular project, we are using error handler class or some interceptor for handling errors. But this solution has a drawback. When it comes to deploying your project in a production environment, you don't have access to the errors that happens in the user's computer. So we need a tools, or we need a solution for handling these type of errors. We can log the errors in a file in our project, or even we can send them in another server, or we can take advantage of some tools like Sentry, Rulbar, Graylog, Winston, and etc. I have chosen Sentry as my favorite log management tools since it is feature rich, and it is really good, and it satisfies my all requirement for logging the errors. Okay guys, theory is enough and it's time to get on with coding. Okay, right now I'm gonna walk you through how to use Sentry in your project. The first thing that we need to do is going to Sentry panel and create a project. Okay, before then coming to this page, I just sign into the Sentry and choose one of my organization, which is YouTube right now. Okay, in each organization you can create a new project. So if you see the create new project, please hit the create new project button and you will come to this page. From these existing platforms, I'm going to choose Angular and set alert me on every new issue here, and set Sentry in Angular as my new project name. And when I hit the create project button, as you can see here, the Sentry will show me the instruction for using the Sentry in our project. It's super easy, and it doesn't have any complex integration or configuration for you. The only thing that is matter between these whole things is the DSN, which is like a token or key for us, and we need to set it in our project and tell to the Sentry SDK that the error that you are capturing will send to which project. Okay, so let's go back to our project and start coding. The first step is installing two packages here, which are Sentry /Angular and Sentry /tracing. After installing these two packages, we need to configuring them in the main.ts. Actually, we need to configuring them in the file that is our bootstrap file. So I'm gonna come here and import all the stuff from Sentry Angular package like this. Oops, I forgot to send an alias here. Okay, and after doing this, we need to start configuring Sentry in our project. The first and foremost thing, as I told you, is setting DSN. Since our DSN is this string. I'm gonna copy it and paste it here. The other thing is traces sample rate. I'm gonna set it to 1. When you set it as 1, you are telling to Sentry that I'm gonna cover all the errors that happen in my project. After that, you can set environment if you are supporting multiple environment. Since in today's age, projects support multiple environments like development stage, production. You can easily set them here. It's not a big deal. You can just set like this, okay, environment.name, and add the name value or field in your environment file. Let's do it, okay. It will be like this. Environment, it will be development here, and in the production it will be production, okay. After this, we need to set the most important configuration here, which is integration array. In the integration array, we're gonna set new browser tracing object. In the browser tracing, I'm gonna say that my tracing origins are localhost and, for instance, dev.myapp.com, and routing instrumentation will be used from Sentry, okay. And we're done here. By the way, if you are supporting multiple environments, it would be better to call these tracing origins from environment files, since the origins will be different for different environments. For instance, dev.myapp.com for development environment, or stg.myapp.com for stage environment, and etc. So let's do it. I will come to here and add new node in the environment file, which is Sentry, and set the tracing origin. Okay, sorry, I forgot it. Tracing origins, and it will look like an array. Okay, so I'm gonna define them here like this, okay, and in the production it will be my.app. Let's say we have another environment which is stage, so the name will be stage, and the tracing origin will be stg.myapp.com, okay. And we're done here, okay. The next step is going to app module and set some configuration for Sentry. Okay, I already add them into the app module file, but let's review them one by one. The first thing is calling create-a-handler function here, which is a function that tends to provide the error handler provider, and automatically will capture the errors and send to the Sentry panel. The other thing is trace service, which is built-in service of Sentry. It depends on, it has a dependency which is a router, and the last but not least is calling trace service in our app initialization. This will call our log management tools when our project bootstrap. So since till now we didn't have such thing in our project, and our errors couldn't log in anywhere, but now we are able to log them easily. So let me go to my app.components, and through new error for testing Sentry. Okay, I already prepared this project, and as you can see, when I run this project, this error is happening. Let me change the error message and write new message error here as an example, and check our panel. Okay, see, an error is happening here. Okay, let's check this thing together. Okay, there's some information about the errors here. As you can see, the origin and IP address and etc. things that are completely useful, but I am suspicious about the error. Let's like another error in on init hook. Okay, through a new error, method not implemented. Okay, another error happened. Let's refresh the page. Okay, see, the new error captured by the Sentry and logged here for us. We can easily understand the reason and file origin, IP address, and etc. So guys, this was error handling and logging errors via Sentry in our Angular projects. Hope you like it. By the way, if you have any comment, please write your comment in the comment section, and if you enjoyed from video, please hit the like button. Cheers.